Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Lego tractor. These are all the pieces you'll be needing. This piece is from a Lego Speed Champions set, and you can just make your own by taking a plate like this and putting two 1x2 pieces with a hole in it to make this piece. So I'm just gonna use this. So first what you need to do is you need to take a 2x8 plate, and then you need to put this tire on the bottom front, and you want to make sure that the tire is going forward. Now what you want to do is you want to take a steering wheel and attach a 1x2 plate underneath it. So it's like this. So now you can take this piece and then you can just put it on here. And I just left 3 stud spaces in front. Now what you want to do is you want to put a Lego seat in behind the steering wheel so it looks like this. And then what you want to do is you want to take this piece and a 2x4 plate, and then you want to put it on top of there. Now what you need is 2 wheels that look like this and have holes in them, and put a Technic pin in them. And then you want to attach both of these into here. Now you can take this piece and put it on the bottom part of the tractor. And then now you can put your little minifigure in it. And now it's finished. If you like this video, please check out my other ones, and see you next time.